going to be learning about the compost and what are earthworms. You might be wondering, what is this big box with holes? You see the holes? See what's in here? There's leaves all over. I know it's not like compost. You have to use some kind of fork kind of thing, and the fork kind of thing is for gardening. And you might be wondering, why is it big? Because that is called a rake, not a fork thingy. So you have to mix it up like this. Pew, pew, pew. It's kind of hard for me to mix it. Hi again. Now over here we're going to be seeing how to be making soil. Compost, yeah. I forgot. For this we need fruit peel. You can use any peel you want in the house. You can use more of orange. More of fruit peel, more of veggie peel. Like a bag or some tissues, or more of this is teas. Tea powder. Yeah, tea powder. Now for this step you might need an adult or parent, or maybe a grandparents. So for this one you have to have a box with holes all over, even the down spot, and a lid. We also need a lid. Very important. This one is really important part. This has to be really clean. The next important part, like the box important part. Okay, now let's add the things that we have. The organic matter. This is called organic matter. Can you say that? Okay, first I'm going to add the orange peels. Yeah. Better to have tiny pieces in. Okay, so now we're going to be adding the leaves. Yeah. Brown like this. Huh. And we also have to rip these ones too. Break them. Break them. Whoa. Here's an easy way to do it. This is really funny. Boink. So now we're going to add the veggie peel. Did you know how the earthworms help? The earthworms help by eating vegetables, anything, all the peels that we used for the compost. They eat those things, and then their waste, which means poop, that creates the plants to grow. So it will be a good fertilizer for the plants to grow. You should not add not the printed paper. You have to add the brown paper, not the printed. You can use kitchen tissues. You can call them anything. Kitchen towels or kitchen. You can also add tea bags if you like. Mine does flower tea bags. Okay, let's get them in now. 2 bags. Wet paper. It's all done. Now we'll spray some water on it. Kind of looks like a sprinkler, doesn't it? No. Now close it with the lid tightly. And then after, we're going to put it in the sun. That's it for today. Bye and see you soon.